Hello, today we are solving Jan 2022 IAL paper Unit 2. Okay, so here you are the accountant for MGH Textiles PLC. The following information is available for the financial year ended 31st December 2021. So the following information about the ordinary shares: there is irredeemable shares, there is redeemable shares, there is other reserves, debenture is there, loan payable is there, revenue, cost of sales, net profit after the tax was paid is there, then tax on the profit is there, then they issued interim dividend, ordinary dividend, final dividends, and the market price of the share price of the is given. So now first part required is part A. You need to prepare the following information for a meeting of the senior managers. Complete the table in the question paper to show how the following is recorded. How will you record irredeemable preference shares and redeemable preference shares in the statement of financial position? So irredeemable shares is going to be recorded as the equity. Okay, so I am going to record it as equity section of the statement of financial position, whereas redeemable preference shares I am going to state it as non-current liability. Okay, non-current liability, like a loan. Okay, liability. So this is recorded as equity, this is going to be recorded as non-current liability. And how and where are the dividends on the shares are recorded in the income statement? For irredeemable preference shares, where are you going to record the dividends paid? This is going to be recorded as in the appropriation account. Okay, appropriation or account. Okay, we will we'll do the appropriation, or you will divide the net profit. Okay, to pay tax you pay interest on dividends, right? So what are the dividends? Those are the dividends that is called as appropriation. You can prepare an appropriation account. Okay, so and there you are going to place the dividend issued from the irredeemable preference shares and ordinary shares. So those dividends are those interests are recorded there. Whereas when you pay the dividend for a redeemable preference share, which acts as a liability, this is going to be recorded as an expense in the profit and loss statement. Okay, to understand about redeemable and irredeemable preference shares, go and check out the accounting format video. I have put the link in the description box, so where you can learn with an